Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll be teaching you how to trade US30 at 1530. Some call it the New York session, some call it the stock market open or the opening bell. Whichever way you prefer calling it, I'm okay with it. So let's get down to it. The first thing that you'll be needing is period separators. Let me just fix this real quick. Okay, the first thing which you will need is period separators. This is how you are going to put period separators to your chart, right? You're going to click on you're going to double click, or no, you're going to right click, go to properties, you come to common, and then on the third option you have period separators, right? Show period separators, you click OK. Now you have period separators. So these period separators, right, they are going to show you on which day are you in, because this is the yesterday, this is Thursday, and this is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, and so on and so on and so on, right? So what you're gonna do is that you're gonna come to your M5 chart, right? To your M5 chart, what you will need in order to trade this strategy, you're gonna need to look at the period separator, right? And then the second thing that you will need to look at is the candle which is at 1525, right? Because we will be trading at 1530, so we want to check the direction 5 minutes before. Okay, so here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take your trend line, you're gonna put it from the candle before the period separator to the candle that is at 1525. If I can take this crosshair, if I can take this thing, you can see there at the bottom it is written 1525, right? So you're gonna use that candle at 1525 and this other candle which is before the period separator. These two candles, they are going to show you the direction of the market at 1530. So as you can see, this trend line, it is facing downwards, right? It is facing downwards, showing that this is a downtrend, right? So at 1530, what you're going to do is that you're going to follow the trend, or follow the direction of the trend line. Okay, so at 1530 you are going to sell, right? Instead of using those apps called CNBC and those other apps, I'm not saying that they do not work, but they didn't work for me. Maybe they are working for other people, but they do not work for me. But this one, it works for me because I've been testing it for a while now. Okay. So here's what you're going to do. At 1525, you analyze the market just like I just did right now, right? And then at 1529, right, you place your trades. In this case, you are going to place your sell orders or sell positions, okay? Because the market becomes very volatile at 3:30 or at 15:30. So we want to enter just 1 minute before, okay? So you're going to enter your trades at 1529. I hope you understand. Okay, let us move on to the next day, just to show you that the strategy, it actually works. Okay, now we move to this chart. Okay, as you can see, there is a period separator. Okay, we want to see the candle at 1525. Okay, the candle at 1525, here it is 1525, and then we take our trend line from the candlestick before the period separator to the candle at 1525, right? Okay, let me use this horizontal line so that you can see. Okay, as you can see, this horizontal line, it is showing you that the market this horizontal line, as you can see, it is horizontal, right? But our candlestick, it is sort of like going upwards in terms of the trend, right? So we are going to follow the direction of the trend line, which is upwards. So it is going to be a buy. At 15.29 you're going to place your buy orders. Therefore the market, as you can see, at 15.30 it did what? It bought. As you can see here, this is a bullish candle, right? It bought. So you make your money there. Let me show you another another example. Let us delete this one. We move on to the left. Okay, what do we need? We need our candle at 15.25 and what? And our period separator, right? Okay, let us check 15.25, 15.25, 15.25, right here, 15.25. Take our candlestick from the candle at the period separator to this candle at 15.25. So in this case, guys, as you can see, our trend line is actually like flat, totally horizontal. In this case, I advise you to not take any trades because the direction, it is what? It is not clear. You see, you can see that it is not pointing downwards, it is also not pointing upwards. It's like the market is consolidating. So in this case, we cannot really see the trend. So I advise you not to take trades if you can, if your trend line is like this. Okay, let us move on. Another day, another dollar. All right, what do we need? We need the candle at 15.25. Okay, 15.25 here it is. Okay, our trend line, we put our trend line before the period separator, or at the candle before the period separator, and here it is. Our trend line, as you can see, in this case, it is doing what? It is facing upwards. It is an uptrend. We are going to follow the trend. At 15.29 you place your positions, you buy positions, buy, or just one position depending on how much you have on your trading account. Therefore, as you can see here, it is a what? Bullish candle. You can see bullish candle, the green candle, this one right here. So you are in profit, right? I advise you to hold your trades for 2 to 3 minutes maximum, because the market, it is very volatile at that time, so it can still pull back and then you can lose money. So I advise you to hold for 2 to 3 minutes. I think you'll be able to make good money for the day. Okay, because we're not trying to make a million in one day, but we want consistent profits from the market. All right. Okay, we also come here. The candle. Oh, first things first, we need to see the candle at 15.25. Okay, 15.25. Where is 15.25? 15.25, here it is. The candle at 15.25 and the candle before the period separates. As you can see, this trend line, it is facing where? Upwards, right? If the trend line, it is facing upwards, what do? We buy. So as you can see, at 15.30, what did the market do? It bought. This is a very big buy, right? As you can see, you're making good profits. Simple. There's no need for you to be looking at the CNBC app or checking all those things which can confuse you. This one is very simple. Just you check the candle before the period separator and the candle at 15.25, and that is your direction at 15.29. You place your trades at 15.30. The market either goes in your direction or against you, but most of the time it is going to go against, it is going to go in your direction, because you can see that this thing, it is busy repeating itself, right? This thing, it is busy doing what? It is busy repeating itself. Let us check it one more time, just one last time before I go. 15.25, here is 15.25, the candle before the period separator, right? Perfect. As you can see, our trend line, it is facing downwards, right? And then what happened at 15.30? The market did what? It sold. As you can see, this is a bearish candle. It is red, therefore it is bearish candle. The market sold. That is how you make your money, guys, every day. Simple as that. So guys, what I would advise you using this strategy, right? Use proper risk management. Use proper risk management. Always make sure that you you put a stop loss, but it mustn't be too tight because the market is volatile, so it can take you out and then still go in your direction. Risk money which you are willing to lose, guys. But for those that like taking big risks, right, I would advise you to deposit money in your trading accounts which you are willing to lose, and then you go full margin. Go full margin. You open as much positions as you can. With this strategy, you can make like 4 to 5 times your deposit in just 2 to 3 minutes, right? But if it goes against you, obviously you're going to blow. But if you made like, for an example, let's say on Monday you make 4 times. Okay, let's say you deposited 1,000 rand, right? And then on Monday you make a profit of 4,000 rand. On Tuesday, let's say you lose 1,000 rand. You still have a total balance of how much? Of 4,000 rand, right? The next day, let's say you make another 4,000 rand. You are now at a balance of how much? Of 8,000 rand. You see, you are winning. Even though you did lose, you are still winning. The strategy, it has a good risk to reward ratio. So guys, that is all for today. Please don't forget to like the video, please subscribe, and also please hit the notification button so that when I upload such videos, you will be the first person to get the videos. What I'm going to do this coming week is that whenever I'm trading using the strategy, I'm going to upload those videos so you can see that the proof is really in the pot, because I'll be executing trades based on the strategy. See you next time, guys. Have a profitable week. Thank you.